Moringa oleifera, often called the miracle tree, is a nutrient-packed plant with numerous health benefits and relatively easy cultivation. Let's explore its health benefits, growing techniques, and uses of different parts of the tree. Nutritional powerhouse. Moringa leaves are exceptionally nutrient-dense. They contain 7 times more vitamin C than oranges, 4 times more vitamin A than carrots, 4 times more calcium than milk, 3 times more potassium than bananas, 2 times more protein than yogurt. This makes moringa an excellent source of essential nutrients, particularly in areas where malnutrition is prevalent. Antioxidant properties. Moringa is rich in antioxidants like quercetin, chlorogenic acid, and beta-carotene. These compounds neutralize free radicals in the body, potentially reducing oxidative stress and inflammation. This antioxidant activity may contribute to moringa's ability to boost the immune system and protect against various chronic diseases. Anti-inflammatory effects. Moringa contains isothiocyanates, which are compounds known for their anti-inflammatory properties. In animal studies, moringa leaf extract has been shown to reduce inflammation associated with conditions like rheumatoid arthritis. This anti-inflammatory action may help alleviate symptoms of various inflammatory disorders. Blood sugar management. Several studies suggest that moringa may help lower blood sugar levels. In one study, taking 1.5 teaspoons of moringa leaf powder daily for 3 months reduced fasting blood sugar levels by 13.5% in women. The plant's effect on blood sugar is attributed to compounds like isothiocyanates and fiber, which may improve insulin sensitivity and glucose uptake. Heart health. Moringa may contribute to cardiovascular health in multiple ways. It has been shown to help lower cholesterol levels, particularly LDL, bad cholesterol. Additionally, its antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties may protect against heart disease by reducing oxidative stress and inflammation in blood vessels. Cancer-fighting potential. Laboratory studies have shown promising results regarding moringa's anti-cancer properties. Leaf extracts have been found to slow the growth of pancreatic cancer cells and enhance the effectiveness of chemotherapy. However, it's important to note that more research, especially human trials, is needed to confirm these effects. Brain health. The antioxidants in moringa, particularly vitamin C and beta-carotene, may help protect against neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's. Some research suggests that moringa may also have cognitive enhancing effects, potentially improving memory and mental processing. Liver protection. Moringa has shown the ability of certain substances to protect the liver from damage and support its function in animal studies. It may help protect the liver against damage caused by toxins and oxidative stress. This could be particularly beneficial for conditions like non-alcoholic fatty liver disease, NAFLD. Weight management. Studies on mice have demonstrated that moringa supplementation can lead to weight loss and improved glucose tolerance when combined with a high-fat diet. While human studies are limited, this suggests potential for moringa in weight management strategies. Diabetes prevention. In a study using a rat model of type 2 diabetes, moringa was found to delay the onset of diabetes by approximately 5 months. Researchers estimate this could potentially translate to a 10 to 15-year delay in humans, though more research is needed to confirm this effect. While the potential health benefits of moringa are impressive, it's crucial to note that much of the research is still in early stages. Many studies have been conducted in laboratories or on animals, and more human trials are needed to confirm these effects. To grow moringa successfully, follow these steps. Seed preparation. Soak moringa seeds in water for 24 to 36 hours before planting. This helps soften the seed coat and promotes germination. Germination. After soaking, spread seeds on a plate or tray lined with damp paper towels. Cover with another layer of moist paper towel. Keep the towels damp for 5 to 12 days at temperatures between 76 to 90 degrees Fahrenheit, 24 to 32 degrees Celsius. Planting. For direct sowing, dig holes 30 to 60 centimeters deep. For container planting, use a mixture of potting soil, perlite, and compost. Plant seeds no deeper than 1 inch, 2.5 centimeters, keeping the outer shell intact. Soil conditions. Use well-draining, slightly acidic to neutral soil, pH 6.3 to 7.0. A mix of sandy soil is beneficial. Watering. Keep soil moist but not waterlogged. Water thoroughly after planting, then adjust based on climate, typically once or twice a week. Sunlight. Ensure plants receive 6 to 8 hours of full sunlight daily. Temperature. Moringa grows best in temperatures between 77 degrees and 95 degrees Fahrenheit, 25 to 35 degrees Celsius. Fertilization. Apply 45, 15, 30 NPK per pit 3 months after sowing, and 45 N per pit after 6 months when the crop is bearing. Pruning. When the tree reaches 2 to 3 feet, prune the top to encourage branching. Continue pruning annually to control height and promote bushier growth. Harvesting. Begin harvesting leaves when the tree is about 3 feet tall. Harvest seed pods when they are half an inch in diameter. Winter care. In areas with frost, mulch or cover trees if freezes are expected. In colder climates, grow in containers and bring indoors during winter. Remember, moringa is adaptable and can grow in various conditions, but it thrives in warm, tropical climates with well-draining soil and plenty of sunlight. Moringa oleifera, known as the miracle tree, has multiple edible parts, each with unique uses and nutritional benefits. Leaves. The most commonly used and nutrient-dense part of the tree are leaves. They can be eaten raw in salads, cooked like spinach in soups, stews, and curries. Try them dried and powdered for use in smoothies, sauces, and baked goods. Seed pods. The young green pods are edible and versatile. Try them stir-fried with spices and other vegetables. Cook them roasted with olive oil and herbs. The seeds are great for teas and tinctures. Flowers. The flowers are edible and used in culinary applications. They are a springtime delicacy in Bengali cuisine. You can cook them into dishes like chorkori and fritters. Seeds. Mature seeds have multiple uses. They yield edible oil called ben oil, rich in behenic acid. Seeds can be pressed for oil used in cooking or as a potential biofuel. The seed cake, after oil extraction, can be used as fertilizer or to purify water. Each part of the moringa tree offers unique nutritional benefits. The leaves are rich in vitamins A, C, B, and K, as well as minerals like calcium, potassium, and iron. The seed pods and seeds are good sources of protein and essential amino acids. The versatility of moringa makes it a valuable food source, especially in regions prone to malnutrition. It is important to consult with a healthcare professional before using Moringa as a supplement, especially if you are pregnant, breastfeeding, or taking medications. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe and share.